Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a twist text animation like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition and I'll change width to 800 and also height I'll change it to 210 and I'll name it text, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK and see. Okay, now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new solid as a background. Then it's okay. I'll go to file to import my colors and I'll take this color from color Adobe or Adobe color. Okay. Now I'll choose this background like this color, the red one. Okay. So now I'll go to tools, text and type your text. Then I'll go to align to put this text into the middle like this. And also I want to change the color. Okay, so I'll go to color here. Okay, and take this color and I'll close it like this. Okay, now again I'll go to composition, create a new composition, and I'll change width to 210 and also height I'll change it to 800 and I'll name it outside text. Then okay, go to project, go to text, drag and drop, press R and rotate this to 90 degrees like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type motion title, double click or drag and drop. Make sure that you are on the first frame, keyframe on center, go to last frame and move position X right like this and I'll stop this on happy edge. So let me see this animation. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, now again, I'll go to project, go to outside text and Control D to copy this. And I'll rename it inside, inside text. Okay, inside text, double click and I'll add effect here, go to effect, color correction and I'll add tint. Okay, also I want to add these colors. Okay, again I'll go to effect, let me press S to decrease it like this. Then I'll go to text, tint. Okay, and I want to change this color to green. Also this color to red, like this. Or let me change this sweep. No, this is good. Okay, so now we have outside text and inside text. Okay, yeah. Now I'll create a new composition and I'll change I'll change it to full HD like this and I'll name it final. Then hit OK go to project and I'll add inside text. Sorry, outside text. First outside. Okay. So now press S to decrease it to 60. Will be good. And also I press R to rotate this minus maybe 80, 98. Okay. Now I'll go to effects and presets again and I'll type CC cylinder. Double click or drag and drop and see. I'll go to this icon and check. Okay. And see. Okay, now I'll go to position, Z position to make it bigger, decrease it. Then I'll go to rotation and rotation X, I'll decrease it, maybe -5. Rotation Y, also I'll decrease it to, okay, 80. And also rotation Z, yeah, this is very good. So now I'll go to render, set fold to outside, like this. Okay. Now I'll go to outside here and Control D to copy this. I'll go to last one, go to tools, project, and I'll go to inside, press Alt and put inside on outside like this. Just press Alt. Okay. So now I'll go to render inside and I'll change outside to inside and see this. Okay. Yeah. I think this is very cool, very simple. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll pre-compose both and I press S to decrease it like this. Okay. Yeah. Then Control D to copy, press P, position, and move it. Again, press P, position Y. Again, Control D, press P. Again, press P. Okay. Take them all, press P to bring it up. Okay. And again, Control D, press P. Like this. Control D again, press P. Control D again. And I'll press P. Again. Yeah. Okay. This is very cool. So now again, I'll pre-compose all of them. And I'll add a new adjustment layer. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type mesh warp. Double click or drag and drop. Then I'll change rows and columns to 1 and quality to 10, and I go to this point and I drag it like this. Also here, make it carefully. Okay, and also here, drag these points like this. Okay, yeah, and see, this is our animation. And again, I'll pre-compose this. Now I'll go to layer and solid as a background. I'll put it down. Then I'll go to effect, generate and gradient ramp. Change linear ramp to radial and put this point into the middle like this. Okay. And also I'll choose from my colors. Okay. I'll go again to background and I'll change white to this color and blue black I'll change it to this color and see. Also, if you want to add another twist text like this, again Control D to copy and okay, yeah. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.